Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Moffrey. In today's video, I want to show you 5 things that I do always whenever I want to place a trade. So this video is very personal because this is what actually I do. I will be showing you with the pair I trade, and that is GBP AUD, that's Great Britain pound versus Australian dollar. So I'll be showing you 5 things that I do, and because today is on a Sunday, I'm preparing for my next week trades. I want to know where I will be, what are the positions I will take. So I decided, why not show you 5 things to check whenever you are entering or placing any trade. So if you're interested, continue watching. So the first thing that I do when I open my charts, I clear everything, all the trend line, anything that I had done previous week, I just clear it because I don't want to have a previous judgment. Maybe I will go with what I had judged last week. I like my trades or my charts to be neat. This is a 1 hour chart because I don't stay long on the trade, so I don't have a long trade. I don't use a long time frame like 4 hour or 1 day time frame. I use 1 hour, and then I scale it down to 15 minutes time frame to get a position. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what it's my chart is very fresh. It has nothing, and we will do everything that I do. Actually, this is what I do for tomorrow's trade or any position that I want to take. So the first thing, we can see there is this chart. So what I want to do is to look at the swing high of the day on the last swing high, and then I want to put it to mark it, because if the price went to this place, it will come back. Even if it's not tomorrow, even if it's not this week, it has to come back to this place, and this place will be our new resistance. Remember, this resistance has not been touched previously by prices, or the buyers has not been able to bring the price to this position. So the first thing I do, this is the highest of the price, I mark that one. Then I go, what is the lowest of this price? I go to the lowest. Like if the price, you see, if the price start coming down, which area is the most lowest, and then I mark it. I mark our most lowest. So I have 2 positions. I have the highest and I have the lowest. That's the first thing that I do, guys. That's the first thing that I do. I mark the highest and I mark the lowest. Now I ask myself this question: what is the trend? I like asking myself, what is the trend? Because if you don't know what is the trend, your analysis will be wrong. If you say you want to buy and still it's not an upward trend, you may get stopped out when the sellers push down the market very hard. So what is the trend? So let's ask ourselves, what is the trend? The trend, we always know, if the sellers are the one are in control, that is a downtrend. So I will just take my trend line and I start marking areas that I think, points that are connecting each other. You can see the market moved from this point. It moved from this point, and then it came, stopped here, and then retested, came again, stopped here, and then it is like it will continue to come down and touch this trend line. So that's my trend line, and I like always correcting my trend line, because I don't know if the position will stop at this place. If it stops at this place, I will start my trend line here, and maybe I can have something like that. You see, guys, your trend line, you will try to adjust because you don't know if the market has stopped and it will want to retest. So the second thing that I do is to use my trend line, because I have known what is the trend. So that's the second thing I put my trend line in position, and then I have told you many times I use 20 EMA and 50 EMA. So the red one, let me show you. You see this, the red one is 20 EMA. The red is 20 EMA, and the black moving average is the 50 EMA. How I use this trend line is that if the price is below 20 EMA, if the price is below 20 EMA, we are looking for sell position. If the price is above 20 EMA, like here, it's above 20 EMA, I'm looking for buy position. If it is below, you can see my price here, it's below 20 EMA, I'm looking for sell position. That's the third thing that I check. The fourth thing that I do, the third thing, I want to see the price below 20 EMA if it is a sell position. If I'm looking for buy, I want to see the price above. You see, in this place, I can't like place a trade because the price is not above. You can see it is just coming here where the 20 EMA is, but when it starts moving up, this is where now you can put your trade. So if the price is above 20 EMA, you do a buy. If it's below 20 EMA, you do a sell. But there's a catch. If you want to be accurate, if you are an aggressive trader, if it goes below, you see here, it went below 20 EMA here, around here, I would have placed my trade. But because I want to be extra careful, I decided to be using 50 EMA just for confirmation. And 50 EMA, now if the price breaks 50 EMA, if it breaks down 50 EMA, and if it breaks down, it will cross. So if the price cross, it breaks 20 EMA, it is below, then it breaks down 50 EMA, it crosses. Now that's given. We are looking for sell position. That's a good confirmation. I have my confirmation there. I am going in. And the last thing to do is to go to 15 minutes chart, because if I scale to 15 minutes, I'll be able to see what will happen. So that is it, guys. That's the 5 things that I use to analyze the market before I even enter a trade. First is support and resistance. The other thing is trend line. The other thing is 20 EMA, 50 EMA. Then I scale down, and then I look for price action to know if my trades are supported. Thank you so much for watching. I remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye bye.